In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $106.20 in just 1 hour of work. And the best part is this is not going to require selling anything, making the conversion rate extremely and super high and profitable with this. So there's a lot of money to be made with this. And I'm also going to show you a trick how I use the trend of Halloween to get a lot more conversions with this and a lot more profit from this. And I'm also going to give you my exact formula and script image at the end of this video so you can replicate this to the T and get CPA commissions from this. So like I said, this is not going to be affiliate marketing, this is not going to be surveys, this is not going to be funnel builders, this is not going to be drop shipping, and this is not going to be YouTube or creating videos or anything like that. And this is not going to be just spamming CPA links everywhere. I'm going to show you how I really went viral with this using the Halloween topic to ultimately reach a huge audience and make a lot of money from that. But quickly, if you're new to the channel, I'd really appreciate it if you could go down below and subscribe with the bell on so that I can send you a personal message every time I upload a daily value pack video like this. On this channel, I'm releasing the latest ways to make money online and ways that I've personally discovered, documenting this on the channel to give as much as value as possible to hopefully help others on the internet to reach financial freedom, whether you want to get some more money online to spend for entertainment or actually build a full-on business and full-on income online to reach your goals, whatever that may be, whether it's your first car, your first house. That is all what I'm passionate about on teaching on this channel. So right on the screen is the first platform that we are going to be using called CPA Leads. So CPA Leads is a CPA network where we can go and get different offers around the world. It's really easy to sign up on, unlike Max Bounty. So anybody can go to this website here, CPA Leads over here on Google, and you can see this is what it looks like. You can sign up super easy, no long verification process. You sign in, your dashboard's going to look like this. So using this exact strategy, today so far I've earned $106.20. Yesterday I earned over $121. This month about $906, and strategies in the past just like this, a total of $8,604 on CPA Leads. Just to refresh to show you, this is my live dashboard. And there you can see that this is a refreshed and indeed my live dashboard. And I want you guys to quickly take a look at this document over here. So on this Google Documents page, I created these different worldwide giveaways. And what I want you to do is I want you to create a long list of giveaways, filtering, if I come over to the offers tab on CPA Leads, at least one offer from each and every country. So what you can do is, for example, I've got US, UK, win an iPhone 11 Pro. And then I've got USA, win $1,000 gift card from Visa, and then win a $500 McDonald's gift card. And these are offers that I am finding on the offers tab of CPA Leads on your dashboard. So what you can do is filter, for example, by United States or the first country that you've chosen. You can see if I scroll down over here, for example, let's try to find the McDonald's one. Okay, here's the $500 Visa one. So I'm going to click on the $500 Visa gift card. All you're going to do is here you can see your preview link over here. This is your affiliate link. So what this means is when somebody clicks on this affiliate link, they're going to be taken to a landing page where all they have to do is enter their email and their username, and they have successfully signed up for this particular $500 Visa gift card. And what this means is every time you refer someone to sign up on this giveaway, you are going to get $1.04 per lead. So you're not selling anything. All you're doing is offering this free $500 giveaway, and you're going to earn $1 per person that you sign up to that giveaway. So it's just an email submit, and that's it. So then what you can do is you can copy your affiliate link. You want to come back to this Google document, highlight this entire text, and you want to click over here, insert link, and you want to add your affiliate link, just like that. You will see it has now become a clickable link to your affiliate link where people can enter this iPhone. Okay, this one was actually the wrong one. I must actually just, sorry about that. I must highlight the $500 Visa gift card, not the iPhone 11. So just to redo that, there we go. We click on apply, and you can see this is now a clickable link. And you want to set at least a giveaway for each and every country, because basically what you're going to do is you want to have this all worldwide, at least something accepted in every country in the world to really increase your conversion rate, because you're not always going to know where your clicks are coming from what country. You kind of want to have a giveaway for each and every person, at least in their country, so that you can convert and get more and more commissions and CPA leads from this to ultimately make the most money online, because you're making your audience as big as possible. Then what I want you to do is I want you to have a look at this. This is a picture, sorry, This is a picture that I created on canva.com. So canva.com is a simple drag and drop little image and graphic design website, completely free, and I designed this little giveaway. So I've been using the whole Halloween topic since October just ended. Halloween, it's trending. It's a great way to activate a trend and get some virality going. So you can see I just said your Happy Halloween free worldwide giveaways. And then you can also add if you want to put in brackets, for example, PayPal and cash. Or let's put free worldwide cash giveaways. There we go. I think that's better to say. And we can say here steps: like this post, repost on your feed tagging us, and then click on the link in our bio at Halloween giveaways. And that's it. You want to create something simple like this. To get all these pictures, all you do is just come over to Canva, type in, for example, post, and you'll see here, let's go Instagram. And if you click on here, Instagram post, they're actually going to give you a whole bunch of templates here. You can see here, this Happy Halloween one is the template that I used. There's a whole bunch of others that you can use. You don't only have to use the same one that I used. I just used this one as I really liked it. And then all you're going to do is you can download this to your PC and you want to do the following. So what I thought of was, and what I've been doing is, you can create a Halloween, or since Halloween's kind of coming to an end, you can do this for Christmas, or just target any kind of trend in your country or wherever you are. And you can see these people have created like quite a nice Halloween themed page with the orange pumpkins, like the scary churches and the haunted houses, etc. Same with these guys over here, like kind of costumes. You can see they're actually doing like a giveaway. And this page over here, Halloween makeup, which is really cool. So you kind of want to go create a Halloween page like this, a theme page. You can repost this content. You just want to fill up your feed to make your page organic, put some photos on, and repost these posts, same as these over here, and just give credit. As long as you tag them and give credit, it's fine to do that on Instagram. And then what you want to do is you want to go and post this post on your feed, and then what you want to do is you want to come over to other Halloween pages, for example, click on the followers with your Halloween username. You want to make sure that something is useful in your Halloween, so for example like Halloween giveaways or something like that. Click on the followers. This, my internet's just a bit slow here, and you want to go and unfollow and follow, and you want to go and follow about 30 people and unfollow those 30 people, or follow them if you want to. You can see here, so you want to go follow for example, and then you're going to go unfollow, and then unfollow at least about 40 people per day, or per day, because the thing is, if you go and follow people too much, Instagram's going to strike your account as spam and it's going to ban you for a bit. So you just want to do about 30 to 40 accounts per day, maybe spread them out a bit. Same with these followers over here. Go follow people, get people to see your post. You kind of want to get a few people, if one or two people go and do this giveaway, they have to like it, repost it on their feed. It takes one person to share it, and then that's how it goes viral, because then their followers see this, they share it, their followers see it, they share it, and it takes one or two posts to go viral, and then you will start to see hundreds and hundreds and perhaps thousands of dollars and hundreds of thousands of people signing up to your CPA offer, getting you more and more commissions as you go. So this is a great way to target trends and really go viral using CPA marketing and the power of this Instagram giveaway with this little picture that goes viral. And then what you want to do is in your bio, you are going to have the link to this document. So you can see if I click on file, share over here, or share, there we go, and I click on save, just save the name of your document. This little pop-up is going to pop up. You want to click on change to share anyone with the link, and this Google document you can then share to people. You can share this document, as all of these are linked up to your affiliate links. You can also go to a tool such as Bitly, where we can go and shorten that link. So for example, because obviously that share link on this page is very long and neat, so let's paste this long link here, click on shorten, and here you can see your shortened Bitly URL that you can go and put in the bio of your page. Because remember, part of the instructions of the giveaway over here is to click on the link in bio of your page. So obviously, for example, I just used the example of at Halloween giveaways. You're obviously going to replace that with your own name when designing this in Canva. So if you want to get this little graphic design, all I'll ask is leave a like on this video, make sure to subscribe down below, comment down below, and I'll reply to your comments with the download link to this. And I'll also leave the download link to this on the pinned comments above, with both links to both this document if you want to use this template and this picture above. But all I appreciate is just some love in return. And on top of this, you can also go and use Facebook groups. So you can go, for example, hey guys, here is worldwide giveaways for Halloween October 2020, different cash giveaways, Halloween giveaways, you name it. You can go just provide free value, reply to comments on this group, get a couple of people to click on this link to this giveaway documents over here, or even tag them on your Instagram page so that they can go and participate in this giveaway competition, obviously with this giveaway over here, to get this post more and more viral, because ultimately you want to get this shared as much as possible to get more and more clicks on your link in your bio, which ultimately could be more than one conversion, because someone could come back to this document, sign up on this giveaway and this giveaway and this giveaway, and then that is triple the revenue on the same person. But if you guys enjoyed this video, I really hope you got a lot of value from this. Make sure to go do the following: leave a like, subscribe down below, and comment down below to get your giveaway so that you can go and try this yourself and try get some results and make some money online. But what I'm going to do is, on the screen above, I'm going to leave a link to my best playlist on CPA marketing that will teach you lots more strategies like this to make more money online without selling. It's honestly the easiest way to make money online is CPA marketing, because you don't have to sell or cold promote anything. You can literally just promote this as a giveaway, and it's a great way to get a lot more conversions and money from that. So you're welcome to go and click on this playlist on the screen, but until then, take care and I'll see you there.